this was the complaint of my friends and relatives who are obese and with big bodies. So they were not able to do difficult exercises as shown in the health clubs or in the YouTubes. They tried like Zumba, aerobics and climbing steps, everything, but because of the overweight, they developed knee joint pains and back pain and many other health issues. So I felt I should do a video on simple exercises for people who are with big bodies. So if you want to lose weight, you are already obese. So how can you do intense and difficult ones? So first you have to start with simple ones, then you can increase the speed, gradually you can go to the difficult ones. So start with these simple exercises, but repeat and gradually increase the number 20, 30, 40 and take to 50 counts, so that each simple exercise, when you do more number of times, is very good workout. Okay, let's start. Lie down on your mat. Very simple one, but very good. I am showing for 10 counts, but you repeat for more. Okay, start with cycling. Simple. Bring your knee over your tummy. Keep cycling and take deep breaths. Keep breathing in big circles. Okay, repeat this way at least 50 times. Then reverse. Reverse cycling with breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so repeat these. Start with 20, then 30, 40, 50, at least do 50 times both forward and backwards. Take a break, 2 minutes, relax. Now one more, very easy one, anyone and everyone can do this. Stretch your hands above the head. Breathe in, breathing out. Lift your right leg, touch it with the left hand. Take it down, left leg with the right hand and down. So when you do this, you are all involving hands, legs, tummy, everything. So it's very good. Always follow with deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, as I said, I am showing 10, but you have to do this again 20, 30, 40 and 50. At least do so many repetitions for better results. Okay, now one more thing. Take a break for 2 minutes after each posture. Now adjust your hips, adjust your legs, hip distance. Breathe in, breathing out. Lift your hands up and push your hip as high as you can, squeezing your butt, squeezing your tummy, lift up. Breathing out, come down and hands down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Lift up. Bring your hips down, hands down, stretch one leg at a time. Again, repeat this one also. Again, you are using this core and your hips, butts. So it's very good. Repeat 20, 30 and take it to 50 counts. Relax. Now one more very easy and very simple one to bring a shape to your tummy and reduce your low handles. Lie down on one side, legs hand in straight line. You can support the other hand down and lift your leg, breathing up and kick it, bring it in front of your tummy so that you're stretching the hips and thighs. Okay, now we will repeat with deep breathing. 1, 2, breathing up, breathe up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you can see this looks simple, but as I said, you increase the counts, make it 20, 30, and at least take to 40 or 50 counts each posture. Then that would be very good workout. Now we will repeat with the other side. Body and legs straight line. 1, 2, 3. Kick it, open it as much you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your knee as high as you can to stretch your hips or butts. Now you can relax. Bend your knees and relax. Lie down on your belly. Stretch your hands. Lift right hand and left leg straight. No bending knee. Straight leg. 1, 2. Lift opposite hand and opposite leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn head one side and relax. Again, repeat this. Start with 10. Increase it according to your capacity. Increase it to 20, 30, and take it as much as you are able to do. Okay, now one more thing. Stretch both hands, Superman pose, but we will be adding movement. 1. Now we will lift legs again, straight legs, no bending knees. Straight legs and straight hands. You can see the whole weight comes on your tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn head one side and relax. Lift your body as high as you are able to do. This again tones your back, your core, your butts, your thighs, everything. That's very, very good, and also helps for flattening your tummy. Rest for some time. Okay, one more simple one. Instead of lifting both legs together, which you cannot do, just bend your legs, stretch up, bend again, and slide them down. This way you can modify and do this one, but it's very, very effective. So bend, lift, bend, and stretch. 1. Always follow with deep breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this way You can do this very easily and repeat more number of times, 20, 30, 40, gradually increase the numbers and you will feel you will burn more calories. So relax after. Okay friends, follow these simple exercises and be regular in your exercise workout. Take time and do regularly so that you will feel the difference in your weight. Okay friends, thank you for watching. See you in your next video. Namaste.